Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I think this is gonna be the second to the last video of this year. Okay, my last video is gonna be on the 21st, which is my withdrawal day for Google Admob. Alright, so far I've made up to $6,000 in space of 2 to 3 weeks. Alright, I've made some amount of money as a like as someone that works from home. Alright, Admob is I love Admob because of some reasons. Number one, Admob itself is free of charge. That's one. Number two is not referral based. Number three, you spend less work and earn high from it. Number four is that in many companies that do this work that Amop still do, Amop pays the highest. And number five, if you've gained an experience in Amop, all right, to earn massively from this platform is very extra easy. All right, so let me go back to my videos. Okay, if you want to know more, my link is below. Let me show you how I made this amount of money with just few of my apps. Okay. So first off is you need to get an app that has a real life function. That's one. Number two is that your app needs to be standard. All right. You should be up to date with the SDK which which Google releases. All right. So these are a few apps that I have for sale if you want to earn like me, and it's for a lifetime. All right. It's very easy and it's free of charge. You only need to get an app, then you start this. Very easy, straightforward. So I have few apps offer. So I have an alien puzzle app. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the alien puzzle app. Okay, choose your character you need. All right, this is number two. Number two is like a COD Call of Duty app. Okay, there's it here. Like it. I made this app. Up for sale. Who loves kind of app? I have many apps. What's it called? It's for children. Okay. It Google looks on the apps. Like look at assuming this app was already monetized, like linked to your account. All right. This stuff gives money to your account straight up. Google is all about have an app, link it with them. They pay for your lifetime. Very easy. Very easy. All right. This is how the app looks like. Can you see? I have an ebook app up for sale too. Okay, so if you want to know more, my link is below. Chat me up, okay? Chat me up for it. All right, there are many apps, so many. Like they are countless. They are countless app of for sale. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.